Hi everyone, I'm Cristiano. Welcome back to my channel. And this time I want to show you guys the latest project that I've been developing. It's called BetterEnd, and it's all about like which one is the better end for you. So SQL or NoSQL database. So this is the purpose of my project to show you guys the difference between them, the perform comparison, of course, and the codes, of course. That's the main purpose of this video, to understand the code, the difference, and to learn also. So this is it. This is the front end. The front end I did with like React. I initialized with Vite, and I'm using TypeScript, Tailwind for the CSS, everything that everybody uses. And for the backend, let me show you guys. The backend is running right now. So let me take this out over here, and this is the package JSON. All the libraries that I'm using are here. So I'm using Nest, Google Auth, of course, Swagger, and as you can see, I'm using TypeScript and just for tests. But if you download right now the code, you're not going to see any test because I have to do it. And this is the Swagger and it's BetterEnd API, and it's very simple, very directed. But the main reason is this: I'm going to have like a MongoDB for the NoSQL and PostgreSQL for the SQL table, the database. And I have to do this like the exactly same function. I mean, not the exactly, but the function is going to do the same thing for both of those databases. But I want to show you guys the difference between them. I mean, we have tables over here, foreign keys, and stuff that we are used to work. But NoSQL, we don't have like foreign keys. We have collections for the MongoDB, of course. So what is the difference? It is more performatic, like it's going to be quicker for me to use NoSQL, but what is the downside? Is SQL, I know it's more secure, but when when I'm updating some information. So that's the purpose of this project. I have like the data submission. I'm going to use like a huge file for like a supermarket, like when you're going to have like categories like products and price and orders, clients, and I'm going to try to see if it's easier or quicker to use SQL or no SQL. And I have like a search for information. If you guys log in using your Google account, I'm using, of course, Google Auth for authentication. And if you can log in, and you're going to be able to download the file, to click to load. This is just front end. It's not working because I don't have the database yet, but I'm going to do it. I'm still developing, and I mean, we can search for like a product like Apple and to see if it's quicker with SQL or no SQL, and to understand the code. The main part is the code, of course. So I have the updated data, the delete information, and of course, like which should I use? And like there is like a scoreboard over here. Does your application need to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data? Yes or no? If you type yes, no SQL is the recommendation. So I'm going to have like tons of questions over here. And does your application perform many complex queries and joins? If like yes, SQL of course. No, no SQL. Is immediate data consistency crucial for your for your application? I mean, not so much. So no SQL. So 3 to 1. And of course, I'm going to show you the code. I believe that's the most important thing. Like, how, what is the difference between when I'm going to use databases that are SQL or no SQL? So I'm going to show you guys that that is the purpose of this project. The project is called Better End for that reason. Which one is the better end? So thank you guys for watching, and you can download the code right now because it's in my GitHub, but it's not finished. I mean, it's far from being finished. Just wait a few weeks, and this is the part one. This is just the overview of the project. And thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, comment on the comment section below, and hit the like button, of course. Share with your friends, please. And this is the latest project that I've been working, and I hope it, if my objective, my goal with this project is for you to understand. If you can understand the difference between SQL and NoSQL, yeah, that's it. I'm happy with that because it took me like I had to see and watch a lot of videos trying to explain the difference, but I didn't have the codes. I didn't have examples. I mean, good examples. So that's what I'm going to do with you guys. I'm going to show you like good examples and to test the difference between them. So thank you for watching, and this is the part one. See you guys in the part two that I'm going to do the video next week. See you guys.